how to claim Robux and Please Donate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim any Robux that were donated to you in Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if someone donated Robux to you in Please Donate, to claim those Robux, all you need to do is open up Please Donate, and then in the left menu, you'll see these options here. Select the gift icon that says gifts. And then once in here, all you need to do is select the little mail icon. Once that loads, you'll see Robux that were sent to you. In order to claim them, all you need to do is select claim. Once you do that, it'll add the Robux to your account. And if you don't see them here, don't worry. That means someone actually just went up to your stand and bought Please Donate while you were in Please Donate. So in order to get those Robux, we need to close Please Donate and then go to roblox.com, log into your account, and then go up where you see the Robux icon right here, select it and select My Transactions. Now you should see incoming Robux, and I just claimed those Robux so they won't show up initially. You'll have to wait around 3 to 7 days for those Robux to actually show up in your account. So Roblox has a processing time period where they validate that that Robux was actually sent to you, and that can take 3 to 7 days. So you can check the status of that by going to the My Transaction page on Roblox, and you should see them show up here. You can go up into the type of transaction, and sale of goods is going to be the one where you should see your Robux show up here in 3 to 7 days after someone has donated to you in Please Donate. As you can see, if I go to the date range and change it to a year, you can see that I have some sale of goods right here from the past when people donated to me and I claimed that. So it's really just a waiting game. After you've claimed those Robux in Please Donate, like I showed you, they'll show up in your account in 3 to 7 days. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.